Shalom, and welcome to a most wonderful morning meditation where you can settle into the light and start your day right. I'd like you to settle into your breath, just becoming aware of it and choosing to believe you can give thanks for every single breath. In fact, there's a verse in Psalms, Kol neshama tehalel kol. Every soul will give thanks to the Creator. The great Kabbalistic master, the Baal Shem Tov, taught Kol Neshima, Tahalel Kol. Every breath will give thanks and praise to the Creator. So choose to believe in this moment that you can simply say thank you and resonate gratitude for every single breath. As your breath lightly comes in, you say thank you, and as it lightly moves out, you say thank you. Rav Ashlag, one of the greatest Kabbalists of all time, would teach when we give thanks, all the more so for the past, we expand our vessel to receive more in the now and in the future. Wonderful. I'd like you to now imagine a ball of light above your head. You may choose to believe this is the light of your own soul, shining with a love and a compassion. And see a channel coming from this ball of light into the top of your head, feeling the tingling, the sensation, choosing to believe based on the principle you are where your thoughts are, that you are about to further program your nervous system with the literal light of the Creator. And that's beautiful. Begin to irrigate your system, nourishing the waters of the light of your soul into the top of your head, relaxing the muscles around your eyes, your cheeks, your mouth, your tongue, coming down to your jaw, your neck, feeling warm and relaxed in your shoulders, your arms, elbows, wrists, and hands, flowing back up and converging into your heart. And take a pause in this heart space. And feel free to take one of your hands and place it on your pulse, whether on your wrist or on your neck, whatever is best for you. There is a verse in the Song of Songs by King Solomon. Kol dodi dofek, the voice of my beloved knocks. The word for voice is phonetically the same as the word for everything in Hebrew. And the principle is that every event in your life, everything that happened yesterday, and everything that's going to happen today is nothing less or more than the one thing that is the Creator. There is only one reality. The voice of the Creator, so to speak, is knocking to you with every event, every happening, every thought, every emotion. It's an opportunity to connect to Source. But more importantly, in this moment, the voice of your beloved knocks. The word for knock is the same exact word for pulse in Hebrew. As you feel your pulse, choose to believe that every single knock is the Creator telling you in a most personal way, I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. I've always loved you. I love you now. I will always love you. I love you infinitely. I love you unconditionally. I love you. I love you. I love you. Continue to choose to believe every pulse. The Creator saying, I love you for another 15, 20 seconds. And enjoy. Beautiful. I'd like you to now rest your hands on your legs or at your sides, whatever is most comfortable. palms facing up in a receptive mode, and continue to irrigate down from your heart into your belly, your abdomen, warm and relax in your hips, down to your legs, your knees, your shins and calves, ankles, and irrigating the light through the bottom of your feet as if to create roots in the ground. It says explicitly in the Torah that man is like a tree of the field. You are a tree of life. Appreciate the connection of the soul above you and the earth below you, as you are symbolically a composite of the two, soul and body, giving and receiving, masculine and feminine energy. Each and every one of us holds everything. Just say thank you for your existence. Wonderful. In this clear space, I'd like you to affirm your essence identity. Say to yourself now, I am unconditionally valuable. I am perfectly good. I am eternal. My purpose is in every moment because it's exactly where the Creator has put me. I am unconditionally worthy. I am purely good. I am infinite. My purpose is right here, right now. And once more, I am unconditionally valuable because the Creator is, and I am a piece of Him. I am perfectly good because the Creator is, and I am a piece of Him. I am eternal because the Creator is, and I am a piece of Him. My purpose is right here, right now, because that's where He's placed me. I choose to believe I can now step into my day in this place of essence. I do not need anyone's validation. I am not dependent on anything external. My joy, my confidence, my intrinsic goodness, it's here and it's now. You may choose to believe in the truth that you are already good, that you are enough, you've been enough, you will be enough. From this place of rootedness, from this place of essence, now you can move forward with your ambitions of the day in a place of peace, calm, harmony, and acceptance. Surrendering any expectation or results, surrendering any hope to be the true manifester, rather throwing it up, casting your burdens upon Source, because the Creator has the keys to everything. Placing your trust in the Creator keeps you sustained, as written in Psalms. Enjoy your most wonderful day. Say thank you for everything. Pray whenever you can, and know the answer to the prayer is the prayer itself. Because all we really want deep down inside is to connect. And you can do that whenever you'd like. All the best.